The reason how that works is inside the cylinder, there's a bottom part of the cylinder and a top part of the cylinder. The one part of the cylinder shoots the piston down, and then the air goes to the bottom part of the cylinder and shoots the piston back up. So if this band is loose, it's like a seal. So it's not sealing the air in, and the piston won't, the piston in the blade does not go back up. If it doesn't go back up far enough, if it hangs down some like that, then the staple can't get by. So when it goes up far enough, the staple will get by and the blade will be underneath it. So that's the problem with these here.
So welcome to our repair shop. I'm joined by Mark Keller. Mark is a mechanic at the repair shop here at City Floor Supply, and we are going to work on a Primatech 250 stapler. This particular stapler came in for repair, is having a misfire problem. Intermittent stapling.
Okay, start off with this tool here, a 3/16 Allen wrench. It pretty much fits everything on this gun.
And comes with.
It comes with it. It usually comes with it right, stored right in here. Stored right in there, all the way in. So, got a little lock nut here. Loosen that up. Put a wrench in the cylinder.
So this is just a retaining nut on this aluminum cylinder. And then he's using the same wrench like a spanner, and it's just taking it and the access holes right out.
This wrench does everything for this gun.
Yep.
Just gonna screw it. Whole cylinder comes out like that. Pretty simple. The problem is this band here, we call it exhaust band. This gets weak because the baby using the wrong type of lubricant, not using the correct air lubricant.
Yeah.
Well, it's so weak that it's really, really rubbery. It has to be more tighter on the cylinder. I happen to have a new one here. It's a lot tighter going on. And the reason how that works is inside the cylinder, there's a bottom part of the cylinder and a top part of the cylinder. The one part of the cylinder shoots the piston down, and then the air goes to the bottom part of the cylinder and shoots the piston back up. So if this band is loose, it's like a seal. So it's not sealing the air in, and the piston won't, the piston in the blade does not go back up. If it doesn't go back up far enough, if it hangs down some like that, then the staple can't get by. So when it goes up far enough, the staple will get by and the blade will be underneath it. So that's the problem with these here.
So that band, if it's not tight on the air holes in this column right here on this cylinder, then it's going to act like a flapper. The air is going to bypass it and not allow it to use pressure to push that piston with the drive blade on it up. And if it doesn't drive it up all the way, it doesn't clear for the next staple to get driven down.
And that's 95% of the problem of why the guns are misfiring.
Right.
To put it back together, I just pulled this piston all the way out. You'll see where it goes inside there.
So if you look down there,
slot.
That's the slot that drive blade is going to go in order for Mark to spin that cylinder back in.
So just kind of aim it up in there. You'll feel it once in there. Right there. Then
it's just clockwise and counterclockwise. It's a right-handed thread. All right, so that's a common repair when your gun, the Primatech 250 cleat or stapler, is misfiring. I think Mark explained that pretty well. The part number for this?
P618A.
P618A for this band.
That'll solve 95% of your problems with the misfiring.
The full maintenance kit which has that band in it, is a P992M. Again, all of these are available on cityfloorsupply.com, but those two part numbers, P992M and
P618A.
P618A, are available on cityfloorsupply.com. So if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call, 800-737-1786, or go to cityfloorsupply.com.